take a moment to get comfortable. Whether you're sitting or lying down, let your body settle into the surface beneath you. Close your eyes. Let your jaw unclench. Let your shoulders soften. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Again, in and out. Feel yourself begin to arrive here in this moment. Let this be your space, your time, your breath. Now it's time to align with it, to let your energy body settle into harmony, to sync your chakras with your soul and with Reiki. Let's begin. Bring your attention to the base of your spine, your root chakra. Feel the connection to the earth beneath you. Imagine a soft red glow pulsing gently there, like a warm ember. Breathe into that space and whisper within yourself, I am here. I am safe. I am held. Let your energy sink down, grounding like roots deep into the earth. Let yourself be supported. Now bring your focus just below your navel, your sacral chakra. Breathe into your hips. Let them soften. Imagine a glowing orange light swirling in your lower belly, warm, fluid. This is your space of feeling, creativity, and flow. I allow myself to feel. I allow myself to move with life. Let the energy there ripple like gentle waves, flowing freely. Next, place your awareness just above your navel, your solar plexus chakra. Picture a golden yellow light, glowing bright like the morning sun. Feel it warming your belly, your ribs, your spine. I own my power. I trust myself. If it feels right, rest your hands there and allow Reiki to gently rise within. Let your will and your warmth awaken. Now turn your focus to the center of your chest, your heart chakra. Take a full breath in and let it soften your heart. Imagine a soft green or pink light radiating outward. I am love. I am open. I am loving. Feel the energy of compassion and connection expand with every breath. If it helps, picture a small smile forming across your heart. Bring your awareness to your throat chakra. Feel the breath move gently through this space as you inhale and exhale. See a calming blue light spinning softly at your throat. I speak my truth with love. I honor my voice. Feel the space open, not to shout, not to explain, but to simply be real. Now focus your attention between your eyebrows, your third eye or brow chakra. This is your place of insight and inner knowing. Picture a deep indigo light here. I trust what I see within. I listen. Let your thoughts float like clouds. No need to chase or fix. Simply be with your deeper awareness. Finally, bring your attention to the top of your head, your crown chakra. Imagine a soft violet or white light gently pouring in from above. A light connection to the sky, to source, to your own higher wisdom. I am connected. I am supported. I am part of something greater. Let that energy cascade down through all the chakras we visited, crown to root, like a waterfall of light. Now imagine each chakra spinning gently in harmony, each one glowing with balanced light, like a rainbow inside of you. Now feel your whole energy body, soft, spacious, glowing. Feel it sinking with Reiki, with your soul, with this moment. Allow your breath to deepen and let Reiki flow through every layer of you. Breathe in light. Breathe out what no longer serves. Let it be simple. Let it be loving. As we come to a close, thank yourself for showing up for this, for choosing balance, choosing harmony, choosing you. Begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers, your toes, stretch if it feels good. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Take this alignment with you. Let your day flow from this centered place. Thank you for watching. Explore our free courses and discover Higher Mind Reiki. Begin your journey of energy healing today. Please like, subscribe, and share.